Tradition. A way of behaving or a belief that has been established for a long time.
It's tradition for the women of the court to farewell the men.
Rural. In or from the countryside.
Rural Route 3, Chester, Missouri. Where is that?
Burden. A heavy load that you carry.
Master carries heavy burden.
Campus. The buildings of a college or university and the land that surrounds them.
Okay, it's not like we're like campus and you can like call the dean and file a report or something.
Majority. The larger number or part of something.
And the vast majority of Indians, mostly Hindus like yourself, were brought here to work the mines and harvest the crops.
Assemble. To put together the parts of something.
Hamish, ride ahead to Edinburgh and assemble the council. Board.
Explore. To search and discover.
She sees this whole gray area and she's helping me explore it. And
Topic. A subject that is discussed, written about, or studied.
I can't even find a topic for my doctorate.
Debate. To discuss a subject in a formal way.
I will not get drawn into another financial debate with you, Dennis.
Evade. To avoid or escape from someone or something.
Evade, Doctor! Yeah, I see it!
Probe. To try to discover information by asking questions.
9-month travel time, that puts the probe to Mars on Sol 868.
Reform. To make something better by making corrections or removing any faults.
And somehow I thought you were here to talk about school reform.